Code now I will run the code and show the output. The code is run. This is a game. We can avoid from all this trick. Now I will touch someone and game is over. So this is a game. Now I will explain the code of this. Python library use random library, system library, Python community use width height is 600 and 400 screen display and screen reader caption is avoid catch, avoid game white, color is white, player color is there, that and black color is that is defined, clock is defined and player width, player height is defined. These are all the variable Python game font area 26 of size is defined. Draw player. Draw player is a rectangle. Rectangle is drawn, draw blocks. Block is drawn, game over. Game over. This is a function of game over render. True. Game over. This is a test and build displayed or flip time wait 2 seconds. Quit. If the game is over, the game is quit and system is used main. Global pair X block. Running true. Swap timer equal to 0. Running timer. Spin or flip byte. For event if player from event or get. Event type. Event dot quit. Running false. Keys pair dot get dot pressed. If key Python k left and pair X key Python k rate and pair X width pair width. This is a code for left and right. If plus pair plus player speed has been increased, swap timer plus 1. If swap timer greater than equal to 40, then what will happen? Random int width minus block width and game minus rectangle is drawn, append and move blocks. Block is move, block speed is increased by plus equal to and rectangle draw player and player dot display flip clock goes 60 seconds. 60 milliseconds, sorry. So after that game is quit. This is all the code which I have read it. No, I'm not explaining the code. Something I have explained and now I hope you enjoy the video and please like and subscribe or see more views on with this video.